Hi guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can test your notification using the Firebase API. So this is one of the best method I found. So you can even test your image notification, which is not possible from the Firebase because it requires the Blaze plan, which is your billing plan. So you can use this method, which I think one of the best method I found. So let me tell you what are the requirements and what is this code. Okay, so basically this is your Python, your Google Colab research lab. So you can create your Jupyter notebook here, and I will provide you this entire code via you can uh, get the link from my YouTube video description. It will be a Google Drive link. Okay, you can just paste it and changes the things that will work for you. So let me show you what are the things required from your end to make it work. So first thing, we will require service JSON file, JSON account file. Okay, so how do you going to get it? So head to your Firebase account, head to this service account in the project settings. From here you will generate your private key. Okay, you can generate your private key from here. I have already generated it. Okay, and I have named it push notification.json. So you can just write the same name here which you downloaded it. Okay, so I renamed my service account JSON to this one. Okay, so basically it is going to check whether this file exists or not, upload it or not. So then it will ask you to upload it. It will Then you will upload your file and it will generate a Google token. And this token will be used to call the Firebase API, this push notification API, which will require your project ID. Yeah, one more thing, we will require the project ID. Second important thing. So first thing is service account JSON, we get it. Then second is the your project ID, and you can get project ID from your general settings here. Then we will paste it here in the project ID. Okay, then we will require the device token, which we will get from running our app. Okay, so I have I'm using a project which I have already uploaded the video on the YouTube, in which I am telling how you can implement the push notification. So I have already generated a device token from this project. I will provide the link in the YouTube video, you can get it as well. So this is my device token. Okay, and this is just image URL, and these are some additional stuff which I required at my end, which it is not required for you guys. You can simply comment it. You can just comment this as well, you can comment this as well. The main thing you require is data payload, which is you can remove this notification type. You will require the title, message, and the project ID. You can command this. These are just for additional params if you want to send additional params for your notification. Okay, this is for your iOS. So okay, this is just setting the image here, and this is the final payload we have. Okay, so let me show you. I'm going to send the notification. You have to run this first. Okay, so when you will going to run this, it will ask you for you to upload your file, service JSON file. You can upload it here. Then second is you are going to let it run completely. Your token is generated here. Then we are going to run this. So you see notifications run successfully. If I head back here, okay, let me generate my token again. Generate my token again one more time. me rerun it. So you can even send your send your notification to a specific topic as well. So this is the my device token. Okay, make sure there are no spaces. Let me keep it in the background so you can show the notification. So let's just copy it. Oh, let's just paste it here. Yeah, I think this should work now. Let's see run it again. It generated the token, then let's rerun it. Okay, you see I received the notification. This is the image notification. So in this way, I mean, you can test your iOS notification as well. So why I found this method very good, because let's say you cannot send your you want to test your rich notification, and you cannot send it to like all your users. So I mean, this is one of the best way I found. You just need to generate your device token, and just you need to add it here, and all set. You just have to send it. So this is one of the best method I found to send push notification. And if you want to send it to your particular topic, so you can just enter your topic and send to that particular topic. So this is all I want to share with you. So I will see you in the next videos which I am going to create. So please like and subscribe this video, so you will be notified when I upload some new content. Okay, thank you guys.